Hello friends, today I am going to share how to sell your own homegrown products to online marketplace. At home I am growing sacred pink lotus known as Nelimbo nucifera and also we call as Batma Kamala. Lotus seeds are edible and are widely used for temple offerings, soups, salads and also got great medical values. My lotus plants have started producing seeds. I am harvesting only the mature seeds and I let it dry in the open air for 2 days at least. I am collecting the mature seeds that can grow into new plants. I have collected all the mature seeds and it's ready for packing. I pack it in small Ziploc bags and label them appropriately. You can choose the online seller platform in your country and create the product information with nice pictures and videos to attract the buyers. Price it and submit the product information. The information you provide should satisfy the platform terms and conditions. That is very important. Once you have submitted the product information, you can browse for the product in the shop page and see the advertisement. Now it's ready to sell. Once you receive the orders, you can pack and make shipment appropriately. For selling locally, educate yourself with your country's rules and regulations for selling plants and seeds. For international shipping, you need to get approved certifications in the countries you decide to ship. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening!